Alright, we're going to try this again. I got my key in my pocket, not my wife's key. It hasn't happened with my key before, so we're doing this. I got my foot on the brake. Hit the power button. And got that error again. So everything starts as if, except we got all the error codes. Check charging system error. We have that key looking error. So I'm going to hit the power button again. My foot is still on the brake. Doesn't seem to do anything. Press it over and over again. There's nothing changing. It doesn't seem to do anything. I take my foot off the brake. Hit the power button. It shuts her down.